Hello everyone, my name is Miss Madrurua, but you can call me Maddie, and welcome to True Corset's Corset School, where we teach you all the basics and not so basics of corset wear and care. Today, we're going to talk about how to measure yourself for a corset. Before you decide what style of corset you'd like, you need to determine what size you need. To do this, you need a soft fabric tape measure, like this one. Take your tape measure and wrap it around the narrowest part of your torso. This is usually close to where the belly button is. Get the measurement of your waist in inches and write your measurement down. Now that you have your waist measurement, here's how to calculate. For a steel-boned corset, subtract 4 to 5 inches from the measurement of your waist. For example, my waist measures 26.5 inches, so I would want to go with a steel-boned corset in a size 22 inches. For a waist training corset, subtract 6 to 7 inches from the measurement of your waist. Therefore, using the same example, if your waist measures 26.5 inches, you would want to select a waist trainer in a size 20 inches. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button, and be sure to ring that notification bell to be notified of all our new uploads. I'll see you next time on True Corset's Corset School. Bye!